Welcome to our channel. The best dash cam is like CCTV for the motorist. Here's how to find the best dashboard camera for you and your vehicle. The best dash cams offer you protection and security for your vehicle. A dashboard camera is really like having CCTV for your car. Dash cams come in a range of types and prices, and many include additional safety features that go beyond simple video capture. You can have dash cams professionally installed with hidden wiring, or choose a dash cam you can fit yourself and move between vehicles. You might assume that even the best dash cams are just there to film ahead and record video if they detect a collision. With cheaper and simpler models, that is all they do. But more advanced dash cams go much further to act as driver assistance and emergency response systems. It might sound like a lot to take in, but we've rounded up our favorite dash cam models below to explain each one's key features, pros, and cons. Before you continue, please click on the subscribe button below. Number 10 is GARMIN Dashcam 66W. The GARMIN Dashcam 66W is the replacement to a previous favorite dashcam of ours, the GARMIN 55. It retains its predecessor's compact size and ease of use, but increases the field of view from 122 degrees to 180 degrees, giving a far broader view in front of your car and the road ahead. Also new is HDR, High Dynamic Range video recording, to help retain detail in high contrast lighting, while a Wi-Fi connection to your smartphone and the free Garmin Drive app means that you can connect up to 4 cameras at once and synchronize the video they shoot, giving a 360-degree view around your car. Battery life is just 30 minutes without plugging into your car's power socket. But if you opt for a hardwire professional install, the camera or cameras will stay on when parked, then record if someone carelessly bumps into your car while parking or driving past. Number 9 is GARMIN Dashcam Mini. The Dashcam Mini records 1080 Full HD video through a 140-degree lens and measures just 3.1 by 5.3 by 2.9 centimeters, which is roughly the size of a small car key. Truly a set-it-and-forget-it device. The GARMIN Dashcam Mini is designed to tuck neatly and subtly behind your windshield mirror, and once either plugged into the lighter socket or hardwired to the car's fuse box, it will boot up when you turn the ignition and record when it detects a collision. If it is hardwired, it will also remain alert while parked, then record if someone drives into your vehicle. There's no display, so no distraction for the driver, and no internal battery. But the compact size and simplicity more than make up for this. A Wi-Fi connection to the Garmin Drive phone app makes it easy to download saved footage from the camera when you need it. Number 8 is THINKWARE U1000. If you're looking for an all-singing, all-dancing dash cam that does everything, but also lacks a screen to distract you while you're driving, this is it. The THINKWARE U1000 shoots in sharp 4K video, albeit with the associated huge file sizes through a wide 150-degree lens. There's built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, which is used to serve up speed camera alerts and add location and speed data to all of your recordings. An optional rear camera can also be purchased and plugged into the main unit, which shoots in 2K resolution at 30 frames per second for sharp footage of what's going on behind you. Enhanced night vision and wide dynamic range help to produce high-quality video during the day and night. We admit this is an expensive option, and it has to be hardwired into your vehicle. But if it's a feature-packed, high-quality dash cam you want, this is it. Number 7 is BLACKVUE DR900S 1CH. The BLACKVUE DR900S 1CH offers a neat factory fit look, but also has the advantages of a slim and compact design. The DR900S 1CH offers 4K video recording, a wider lens than most of its rival 162 degrees, GPS and parking mode. On top of all that, there's a cloud-based subscription package for viewing live and recorded footage remotely, and a service which pushes a notification to your smartphone when the camera detects a collision. Useful if your car has been bumped while you're away. Not everyone will want to pay for a subscription service, but we can see the added benefits being useful for fleet managers who want to keep tabs on their vehicles. Number 6 is NEXTBASE 522GW. The NEXTBASE 522GW is a great dash cam for those who want a whole suite of features, including Alexa, GPS, and emergency SOS, but who are also on a budget. The 522GW shoots 2K resolution, 1440p at 30 frames per second, or regular 1080p Full HD at 60 frames per second. It also features a 140-degree viewing angle, integrated GPS for accurate location, direction, and speed data, and even Amazon Alexa. This means that using your smartphone's internet connection, the 522GW works just like an Alexa smart speaker at home, enabling you to play music, hear news headlines, get directions, and even control your smart home gadgets while on the road. Emergency SOS can sense a collision and then, if the driver doesn't respond to a prompt, will alert the local emergency services and share your location, potentially saving lives. Number 5 is NEXTBASE 622GW. This is the big brother of the NEXTBASE 522GW and is the best choice if you want a 4K dash cam without the need to have the dashboard device hardwired into your vehicle. The step up in video quality is noticeable, and there's the added feature of support for What 3 Words, an ingenious global system that you can use to give your precise location to first responders by just giving them 3 words, and is a proven lifesaver. With an easy-to-use app that connects your smartphone to the 622GW over its own Wi-Fi network, you can see all your clips with ease and download those you want to save or review. Number 4 is THINKWARE Q800 Pro. If you want a dash cam that does absolutely everything but 4K, the THINKWARE Q800 Pro is for you. As well as shooting in high-quality 1440p with advanced night vision, the camera also has a wide range of safety features. These include speed camera alerts, lane departure and forward collision warnings, and a system for alerting you when the vehicle ahead moves off, saving you from an awkward beep by the driver behind. Wide dynamic range and auto exposure help to keep footage clear in harsh or low lighting, and everything is shot through a 140-degree lens. A second rear-facing dash cam is an optional extra too, and if you hardwire the Q800 Pro to your car, giving it a permanent power source from the battery, there's a smart parking mode to record incidents while parked. Because it lacks a display, the THINKWARE Q800 Pro has a more subtle design than most dash cams, hugging your windscreen and fitting neatly below or behind the rear view mirror. Designed to be a permanent addition to your car, the camera sticks to the screen and works best when hardwired, so there's no quick way to switch it between multiple vehicles. Number 3 is KENWOOD DRV A601W. KENWOOD is a popular choice if you buy your dash cam from a dealership, but you can buy its range of dashboard cameras online too. This 4K model is a great value, offering useful features such as built-in GPS, a bright f1.8 wide-angle lens, and an integrated polarizing filter for cutting through windshield reflections. The magnetic mount makes this easier and more between different vehicles than with some rivals. You get a 16GB SD memory card supplied, but you can use up to a capacity of 256GB if you want to keep footage for longer or do lots of driving. A dual camera kit is also available. Number 2 is THINKWARE F800 Pro. If you want a dash cam which looks like it was fitted to your car in the factory, the THINKWARE F800 Pro is for you. It's designed to fit snugly up against the top of your windscreen behind the mirror and neatly out of the way. The Pro model can also be hardwired to your car's battery, meaning it will boot up when you turn the key, continue recording while parked, and leave your car's 12-volt socket free for other uses, like charging your phone. There's also an enhanced night vision setting to improve low-light videos, speed camera alerts, and the option to fit a rear-facing camera too. See our guide to the best front and rear dash cams. There's no touchscreen, which could be seen as a negative, but Wi-Fi means it's easy enough to connect the camera to your smartphone to view recordings and alter the settings. Number 1 is VIOFO A129 Pro Duo. We won't hold it against you if you've never heard of VIOFO, because it certainly isn't the most recognized name in the dashcam business. But its 4K resolution Pro Duo model represents phenomenal value for the money. The front camera